Hey, this is Ryan from D3 Technologies. I always get questions from people about Fusion 360 and working in the offline mode. So in this video, we're going to go over the different offline modes that are available in Fusion. And in a future video, we're going to talk about what happens to the data when you save and when you work in offline mode. So for now, the different offline modes that are available is the first thing we're going to cover. And these are the three modes that we have. We have the online mode, which I'm currently in now. We have automatic offline, and we have the manual offline. So you'll notice these modes show up currently. This is May 2017. It could change with the next update, but for now, they live in the job status icon. If you click this on the top right next to your username, you'll actually see you're working online currently. When you're working online, you're connected to the servers where all your data resides, and as you save, new versions are created. What I'm going to do is disconnect myself from the internet here, and you'll notice Fusion immediately says, "Hey Ryan, you're not connected to the internet." Fusion 360 will automatically reconnect when you reconnect to the internet. You'll also notice auto offline mode during scheduled maintenance and during unplanned service outages. In offline mode, you'll notice some data is available. If you've opened it within a recent period of time, then it's cached locally and can be opened. By right-clicking or double-clicking, you can open it. However, you'll notice some files are grayed out. This means they're not cached locally, and you cannot work with these until you reconnect to the internet. So I'm going to go ahead and reconnect to the internet. And as soon as my connection becomes live, you'll notice the red dot changes and my status is back to online. The third and final mode is the manual offline, and to enter that, you just click on the toggle and you're temporarily working offline. So same thing as before as far as which files you can access and which ones you can't. You can work in offline mode as much as you would like. We will talk a little bit more about saving files in the next video. Just know that you need to reconnect at least once every 30 days so that Fusion can check your access. If you haven't connected in 30 days, then you won't be able to use Fusion until you go back online. So that's it for the three online offline modes in Fusion 360. And like I said, next video I'm going to be talking about working and saving files in offline mode. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to reach out to the D3 team.